Welcome back, welcome back. Keep it simple, keep it short. Join and coin here. Thanks for your support. Right, so in Ethereum, in my last update, we talked about, before the CPI data came out, we talked about here a potential inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, didn't play out because we had this huge drop here with the CPI data, but I think it would have played out because, as we also saw on Bitcoin, that immediately Ethereum was working the way back up. But nevertheless, my target was hit at the resistance line. So Ethereum got rejected here, but had a second attempt and then broke through, and also the 0.236, and now found support at the 0.236. So on the 4-hourly chart, yeah, it seems for me the most likely case is that Ethereum is again printing here the same what we saw already before, such a rising wedge. And yeah, the RSI tells us the whole story. So Ethereum was working here the way back up, got rejected, and once it broke out of this rising wedge, came down to the 0.618, to then start immediately again the same RSI coming to the overbought conditions on the 4-hourly, and got rejected. And also what we can see here now, it seems for me that it's very similar what we saw already here and here. So what to expect here in the very short term? Well, we have to keep in mind that the RSI here is in overbought conditions very soon. So there is a bit of room to the upside. I think Ethereum should find here some resistance, because if we bring up the EMAs, we can see here in the first attempt that the EMA 100 on the 4-hourly was acting as a resistance. Here, Ethereum didn't even manage to come to the 200 EMA, but now here is the 200 EMA. So I could imagine Ethereum could find resistance here at 1256. And even if Ethereum can push higher, I think that, yeah, it should find a heavy resistance at 1284. And I'm expecting here then something to come down to the 0.236 and maybe also to the 0.382, and maybe test this resistance, which is now acting as a support. And yeah, then we have to see what happens if Ethereum is coming down. The only bullish case in the short term would be if Ethereum would take out here the EMA 200 and also the 1283 level. But as the RSI, you can see here, is again in overbought conditions very soon, and we can see it here and here. I think most likely Ethereum is about to come here to the downside and yeah, test the 0.236 at 1174 and also the 0.382 at 1111. Ethereum on the daily, you can draw this line here on the RSI. So there's a room left to the upside. Yeah, so this is why I think Ethereum can push a little bit higher. But yeah, Ethereum, to get any kind of bullish sentiment, definitely this resistance has to be broken. But I'm not sure if this is broken, because at the moment the bears are still very strong. Yeah, we will see if we get another low in Bitcoin and also in Ethereum. Maybe we could get here a bullish divergence. And yeah, this then would mark the bottom for me, because then we would get a bullish divergence on the daily RSI. And yeah, and this could be then the final bottom of this whole bear cycle. All right, this was my short update to Ethereum. If you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.